What's up guys? It's been a while. Tumewahata sana, tumelostiana sana, and I think this is the best time yenye tulikuwa tumepanga kurudi back to our YouTube channel. It's been a while. Tumewahata. And just before I continue with this video, nataka kuintroduce mtu hapa hivi. Say hi guys.
Hi guys, mkoaje? I hope mko poa. Welcome back to Real Life Abroad.
Kabisa.
Tumewamiss sana.
Tumewahata sana.
We are back in full force. Tutawaambia kwa nini tulikuwa tumepotea. Sawa.
I'm going to tell you that.
Tumalizie hapo kwanza.
For now, we are just about to leave and we want to show you something. So this baby has been in our family for the last, is it 2 or 3 years? And
it's about time to let her go now. It's about time to say goodbye to her.
We still have this one, and we also have another big surprise for you guys. So keep in touch. I hope you keep in touch until the end of this video. We'll show you around much content. Tutawaambia vile tumekuwa, vile kwenye tulikuwa tumejificha, what we've been doing. And we are taking this video as an introduction video to come back to the YouTube channel.
Come back.
To officially come
Our
back.
gang. Welcome back.
When you hawakuwa wamesubscribe, this is the best time to do it.
To subscribe kabisa.
Mjaribu kutusubscribe na kutrike ya video zetu. Pia tunataka tuone hiyo ka welcome back. And we hope in the due time and in due season tutarudi back in full force.
Yeah, kabisa.
So for now we are going to cut this video. We'll show you around as we drive. Tutawaambia kwenye surprise inaishia. Kwa hiyo atatulead. Tatuongoza huko mbele vile tunaenda. Umetuwekea mazuri?
Uko mbele ni mazuri
kabisa. So sasa leo tunakufollow. Tuambie tunaenda kufanya nini, ama utukipie surprise until the end. And then you're going to show us what you're going to do at the end of this video. Now that you're going to let this baby go.
Jalala because of this surprise.
Kwa hii amelala on. Kwa hii akiwa nervous huwa analala on halali the whole night.
Yeah.
But we still have this baby. So huyu bado wako mtaani. Although kwa hii ajui kudrive huyu. Huyu bado wako mtaani, but for now we are going to let her go. This has been a beautiful family car. It has served us so well. Kama kuna gari tumewahi ipenda ni hii. Yeah. Na tunaambia story. Actually, we'll tell you a story how we started with vehicles, because where we are now, I think it's like a testimony.
Msiulize kwa nini ati nakosa usigizi. Si ati nakosa tu hivyo, ni kuimagine penye Mungu ametutoa.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we are so excited because as a family we have come from so far. Tukianza kuwapea stories za magari. I think when we show you the surprise that we have kept for you, tutaambia tutamake another video kuambia pali tulianzia na stories za magari, back in Kenya, Hey. Anyway guys, this is Real Life Abroad. I hope you keep tuned and I hope you keep watching this video until the end, and I hope to continue bringing more content which are so much good for you and good for the family, and to showcase what Australia has to offer for the migrants who are living here, and especially people from Kenya.
Yeah.
So
let's go guys.
Let's go.
Grace, can you calm down? Stop being overexcited.
Anxious.
Guys, wachani nijivumilie, wacha nijiambie calm down. I'm sorry. Ni excited ama?
Are you overexcited? Are you anxious?
Very, very, very.
What's up guys, and now we are here.
I should tell mommy to calm down.
And now we are here.
Wow.
So what we've been waiting for. Babe, how are you feeling?
I'm so anxious.
Are you very anxious?
Yeah.
Now we are
Let
here,
me take a
so
deep breath.
we can see it somewhere there.
Yeah.
Koi ati ako anxious sana mpaka ana feel kumatat. Koi ako very, very anxious. But anyway, we are so happy and we are so excited. We are here. Tuonyeshe to a peep of where we are. Yeah, you can judge from the look. Let's go inside and see what we got. Thank you. Oh yeah, what do you get? And now guys, it's here. We are finally here, and this is the baby that we are picking up. We'll show you much in details when we finish up taking and getting handed over the car. Handed over to it. Which car do you want? Which one?
Which one? Which one's your car? Which one's your new car?
How do you feel, babe?
Oh, I'm so excited.
Yeah?
I am so excited.
So hii ndio tulikuwa tunakujia. This is a new baby in the family. Koi ako overexcited.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
So we'll show you much in details tukishatoka hapa.
Yeah.
Memory seat.
What's up?
Move forward a little bit. You'll have to set that when you get home.
Oh,
So Sam's
okay.
got one, and then yourself got one.
Oh, so that's why it's moving back.
That's right. Yeah.
Oh.
So when you get home, you'll have to set
Oh
yourself
yeah.
and you
Let me push back a little
push
bit.
forward a little bit.
Yeah.
Cool, cool, cool.
Uja. Keep going. Yeah, thank you.
When you do leave, okay, I'd probably highly suggest that you turn left, okay, just
Yeah,
with it
wenda
being a
huku,
little
usiende
bit
na huko.
dangerous.
Oh yeah. I
Yeah.
turn left, right?
Turn left. All right.
Yeah.
Got
I
this.
got this.
You've got this.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Uangalie hiyo gari kidogo.
Hakuna gari?
Hakuna.
Ni naingia hili.
Unakuja. Uko sawa, twende. Thank you.
Thank you, God. Oh my God. Oh, I can't believe I'm the one driving new car. Oh my God. Oh no, I can't believe it.
Finally.
Oh, thank you, God.
Wagithia nyamũ noĩ. Go celebrate.
Niĩ na tenda gũtitiũĩ nĩ kũ ndĩrathiĩ.
Wali shukuru ya Achi.
Nĩ kũ ndĩrathiĩ.
Umeenda shule ya kina Achi.
Guy. Oh no. Babe, where should I go?
Keep going. So you can turn right somewhere here.
Twende home kwanza.
Ama twende home kwanza.
Ina number plate.
So guys, we have finally picked the car. Na mrembo, hey, ako so much nervous and so much excited.
Nafaa nirudi factory.
Maka ananyamba tu hapa.
Sijanyambia gari mpya, siwezi. Siwezi ai, kwani siwezi.
Anataka kwenda loop.
Nikide mwere. Kachana kalikuwa guy, akinitoa post yake guys, where I have come from. Hata Helisama alikuwa na drive maloli. Mimi hata singejipigia picha karibu na gari ya mtu. Warutago hautakagwi.
Bothe na yakuja rojo.
Ya 2025. Oh my God.
Ramon ya hizi
zero mileage hata babe like focus.
Achi? Okay. Okay, we'll go get the ice cream. Keep going.
Kwa roundabout lazima gari zote ziende.
Utapigia honi huko nyuma.
Ni mahore, ndingethie ni marona ni gari njeru. Ndingethie.
Para ndugetumire nginya Achi atwike nervous.
Hakwende me iyo rathiko. Hakwende mekire hazard thikihura hazard ngimonagi ni njeru chwa. Ndigwa thikikaga u. Guys,
Mommy don't want to go to gym today.
Yeah, gym siezi yenda Achi. Guys, akiwa. Oh my God. Oh my God.
But anyway, we are so excited. This has been a dream. How are you doing? We are so excited, and finally we are in a new car.
Na amefanya Mungu. Ndego kaina go. Hahare. Na hiyo gari nyingine nilikuwa na drive na mkono moja. Wewe nyinyi mko nyuma, si mnaona hii gari ni mpya? Lazima mtulie. Mgoje, mtulie tu. Hizo shadiko. Changamke. We mujikare kando inyuothe. Let's go now. Ebu niambie watu kitu. Guys, vile niko nervous and so happy na sijui na feel aje. Hata sija drive home. Tumeenda kupark mahali kwanza. Tuione vizuri. Tuione vizuri. Babe, uonyeshe watu hapa ina nini? Ina
charge.
Oh no, niwe rau mahali ya.
Tutacharge.
Hiyo ni safe. Kai. Woi kai meka yote iliyoliwa na zige narudisha narudisha. Ndio hii mwaka Mungu ameturudishia ile yote. Oh God, oh God, hey.
Mpaka utasikia achi.
Oh God.
Tell mommy to stop being scared.
Guys, no show. Kujeni niwape testimony guys, kwa wenye hawajajua penye nimetoka. Kai, msione tu nikiwa hivyo mfikiria ati tu ni kawaida guys. Ni gari ya mbere kugua yari kirori kiria Samu andikitwo. Unaona ile lori Samu alikuwa anabeba nayo watermelon na viazi. Ndio ilikuwa gari ya kwanza kuingia, ni feel comfortable. Babe, sijui niseme aje. God answers prayers.
We thank God. It's been a trip, a long time trip.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Ate nenyo. Kai. Nigenaga todorera. Kai, nyimbo.
Mother aigua nginya tongĩingĩra kameme-inĩ. Oine kĩgoco. Sasa, what do you feel?
Oh, I'm so excited. Guys, hey, mtaona nini si
Our baby is here.
Our baby is here.
Tutaonyesha. Tutaonyesha, we'll do a full video, a review of everything. Tutaenda pale, tutashoot vizuri and we'll show you guys but most importantly hata sio gari ni the milestone, like, how we feel and you know,
yeah,
how we feel about it na kule Mungu ametutoa. It's like a testimony. So
yeah, watu tu walikuwa tu hivyo
kabisa,
but God
ametoka chini mbali sana.
God came through, yeah.
So we thank God and we hope you guys will continue watching and subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us for more inspirational videos.
Yes.
Thank you
guys,
for
let's
now.
see you in the next video.
See you.